Hello everyone, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to add cash on delivery payment in WooCommerce. But before jump into the main tutorial, if you visit my YouTube channel WP Hindi, then you will see already I have published lots of details on WordPress like classified listing website, e-commerce website, Elementor, basic WordPress as well, and much more. So if you want to learn WordPress, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Then let's get started. Very fast, let's check which I'm going to do in this tutorial. That's why you can see this is an e-commerce website. Just scroll down and try to add a product. Just click over here, then it will redirect to the product single page. This is the product single page or product page. Now try to purchase it. So click over here, add to cart. Then the view cart. Just scroll down and you can see process to checkout. Just click this button. Then this is the checkout page and you can see payment method does not show here. So in this tutorial I will show you how you can add cash on delivery payment method in WooCommerce. So go to the admin dashboard and you can see this is the WooCommerce. Just hover on it, then click over here settings. This is the WooCommerce plugin settings panel and you can see it has a lots of tabs. Actually general, product, shipping, payment. I have to click over here payment. That's why I want to add cash on delivery payment method. Okay, you can see this is the payment and scroll down PayPal and accept payment with O. Then the take offline payment. Actually cash on delivery is on kind of offline payment method. Okay, so we have to work with it. From the right side arrow sign, just click over here. Then you will see this is the direct bank transfer, checkout payment and cash on delivery. So in this tutorial I want to add cash on delivery payment. So from the right side you can see this is the enable. Just click over here. Okay, then the click here manage. Then you can see enable and customize, enable and cash on payment. So you have to click over here and enable it. So this is the title, cash on delivery. If you want, then you can change this text, or I think it's perfect for me. Then the description, if you want, then you can add more text here, like after receiving the product you have to pay. Okay, so if you want, then you can write it more details, or if you have any condition, then you can write here. Then the instruction, just how the customer will pay you, you can write here. Then the enable for shipping method, actually flat rate. Already I have added a video about it, how you can add shipping method for WooCommerce. You can check it from my YouTube channel. Just go to my YouTube channel WP Hindi, then check WooCommerce tutorial. Okay, or I have given the video link in this video description. Okay, so from here you can check how you can add shipping method. Okay, so then accept virtual order. Yes, if you want, then you can accept it. Then the save changes, just click over here, save changes. Then again go to the checkout page where we have checked very fast and you can see payment method does not show here. So now just refresh this page and check it again. Yes, and you can see cash on delivery payment method is added here. So I hope this video will help you very much. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos on WordPress.